Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we can create a simple post API using node.js. In this video, we use Postman to send data in a database. Let's start code. So, I have opened my code editor. Here, we have an index.js file and a config.js file. In the config.js file we have kept the database connection. First we imported the MongoDB module. Then, select the database which you want to connect. Then, give the path of your local server. Then, connect with client. Next, I create a function with the name of dbconnect, which return collection of database. At the end, export dbconnect function. I can use ecom database, which have one collection named products. In this collection, I have only 4 record and we can add more record using post API. Open index.js file. Now, import express module. Then, import dbconnect module from config.js file. Create an app or make express executable. Next, choose a port where you want to open this app. I choose 5000. Now, use the app-get method. In first parameter we define a route, then create an arrow function. In arrow function we have 2 parameter requests and response, you can give any name to it. Now, use residential.send method to check, our get method work properly or not. Open your terminal. Then, run index.js file. Next, open your Postman. Then, select post method. Here, you enter the URL of your app. I write http://localhost 5000. Click on send button. In bottom container, you can see it return result text, so our post API work properly. Now, I want to send data through Postman, for this click on body. Next, click on row, and select JSON format. Check in database, we save the name of the product brand, price and also save the category of product. So I send this data using Postman. In Postman I write some product related data. I write product name, brand, price and category. Open index.js file, and now I can write a code for getting Postman data. First I write console.log, in this I write request.body. Request.body method is used to get data from Postman and it return an object. When we get data from Postman we need to convert it in JSON format, so I write app.use method and in this I write express JSON method. Again, open Postman. Now, I get this data in a terminal. Click on send button. You can see in bottom container I get true, that means it's properly work. And you can also see I successfully get the record in terminal which I can send through Postman. Now, I send this data in database instead of showing on terminal. For this, I call dbconnect method. This dbconnect method return promise, so first I need to make a function async to handle the promise. Next, I use insert1 method to insert the data in database. In insert1 method we pass request.body method. Next, put a result variable in res.send method. Our code is finished. Again open Postman. First check in database I have only 4 record. Now, click on send button. In bottom container you see a message acknowledgement true, this mean our record successfully added. Let's check in database. Click on the find button to refresh the collection and here you can see I get 5 records successfully in database. Let insert 1 more record. I change this data first. Now, click on send button. Again you see, acknowledgement true, it's mean data saves successfully in database. Refresh database, and see we add one more record in database. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.